know? Yeah, that's what it is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky, what up, my nigga?
Count down the arm.
Venrap
Count down the arm. Get.
Radio.
Welcome back. It's the Venrap Radio. It is what it is. Yo, okay, so I'm waking up, I'm checking like social media, and I pick up this tag that says, Nema, you should table this. Table this, yellow. Everybody, I'm doing on. The yellow here. One of the promising artists that is doing very much. He just signed a record deal also. So there was this news yori ndobandi kotama ushumana Metro CMG mara ariko thought that 1,000 rand for verse ndanyama. It's not like I'm disrespecting him mara onya zesa angasi badelise neodra mpaka TV ene asatuva. So okay, as always, people will always ask questions, but sometimes I respond, sometimes I don't because of time. But if I have time, I try and respond. So as I look at this, there's a couple of things that artists, yeah, those said that nazo when it comes to future. When the artist doesn't really want to work with someone, but then with the they can charge you the amount, like a lot of money or whatever the amount, just because they don't want to tell you story that I don't want to work with you. Then they look at how much they're worth, because you find that as an artist, you're worth something. And then if you feel that when you're putting your time, your studio time and all that to record a verse, because in the one already, if you're going to record a verse at the studio, but 500 to record everything and mixing and all those stuff. So just to do that verse, it might be 500. So 500 for transport and in the studio time and 500 for him. So that might be the issue. That in our Metro Cosita, or it's what he believes that he's worth as an artist. He's worth that amount. So if you have to look at it, yellow. I think it's best to trying to figure out why is it Metro charging you all this amount. Trying to find out from him, he wants this amount of money. You know what I mean? Because sometimes when we don't have the inside of what really causing all this, beef or the argument unnecessary. And I don't think 1,000 is that much if the artist is feeling that it's worth it. And yeah, May Metro, and then funny part is when you talk about Vaka TV and Asatuva, let's not use that as an excuse or something like that. No, let's try to use this as let's put it this way. We all strive in different ways. We all get somewhere in different times. Come on. But it's something that you need to talk to him. Trying to find out why is he charging you this much? Why got the trading up? Try to negotiate if you have to negotiate. No. But in a good sense of understanding as an artist, which finger mutu wakong uto feature about na feel or music wa or ayirani, or am I gonna get something out of it? Ngona koni charge based on no music I'm recording years, but it doesn't really, I'm not gonna get anything back, because everybody now they're trying to eat, man. You look at everything that's happening in music and like everybody's trying to make something out of something. So looking at these, I don't see that it's supposed to be an issue. It's something that as an artist you guys should communicate, and I think your management is supposed to be the one, because I think you signed a record deal. I think that they should handle this for you on your behalf to get this done. If Metro Alcofori, no, he can't do this without $1,000 in his pocket. Try and talk to him, trying to find if there is no way where you guys can come together and come up with something. maybe it's installment per month, but I think Metro is looking at is that he's worth that. Looking at now, his page is verified, his fan base is growing fast, sitting about 37 right now. So that could be the whole thing, you know. So yeah, man. If you have any questions or something you think I need to look at, you know what to do. You can hit us at 124. Ngadzina ndi duka nsona ndi ngwana ndi wa mahongoni. This is the Venrap Radio. We're checking this issue. So yeah, these guys, they should sit down and talk and find a way around. I'm out of here. Ndiwafuna zone. Nda.